Hello, my name is Junbong Jang, and in this video, I'll present how to use the medical label tool for cropping ultrasound videos. So first, if you refresh this website, you'll see this. If you open up this link, you will see this page. You first need to load ultrasound video by clicking this button. So I'll open this one. And then you can either uh, crop rectangular box or trapezoid. So in order to crop rectangle, you just click upper left corner and then lower right corner of the rectangle. For the trapezoid, you press upper left corner, upper right corner, and then lower right corner. And then you can adjust it a bit by pressing on the point, the circle here, and then dragging it using your mouse. Yeah, you can. But if you move it too much, for example, if the trapezoid, uh, the upper side of the trapezoid becomes larger, longer than the lower side, then the error, the warning sign will occur, and then this trapezoid will be reset. So you have to draw it again, like this. And in order to clear it, if you don't like it, you can just press anywhere in this blank image, just mouse click once, and it will be gone. And then you can just change into different shapes and then crop it. So in order to crop, mm, let's see. We first need to go to the uh, label tool output and then select folder. And it asks for whether you will give permission to see this folder. Yes, I say yes, and I also allow it to save the file, upper file to this folder. I press yes, and of course, if you are using your computer in English language or other languages, you'll ask in your language, not the Korean that I'm seeing right now. So also for this button, it says select file. You will see this button in English or other language in your own local computer. Okay. And then after you select output directory, you can crop and save button and it will run and you can see the save progress. Once this fills up, uh, that indicates your video is saved. But if you wait a while, like maybe 20 seconds, it will finish and you'll get a message that it is done. You see that in you also have the video info. The width is 96 pixel, height is 540 pixel. FPS currently is actually fixed to 30 right now, but I plan to update it so that FPS of the video is actually red and shown here. Okay, so it seems like the video is almost saved. Okay, cropped and saved successfully. Okay, now you can go to the folder and see that the video is cropped pretty well. Right, just as you expected. And the file size is only 1.37 megabytes. If I remember correctly, the original file size is about 6 megabytes. So yeah, it makes sense that it's smaller. And I also saved this, how do you say, uh, the video file name and video dimensions and shape type and selected points, just in case you want to post process or see how the original video is cropped. Yeah, I just saved it for later processing. Okay, save. Now another feature in this tool of this label tool is that, well, okay, I refreshed it, and you can also crop multiple videos at once. So for instance, I select all three of them, or let's say I select these two actually. Okay, now the video is loaded. Um, yeah, but notice that if the video is too large, for example, 1920 by 1080, then the video is shown here like it's actually overflowing the screen size. So you can zoom out a bit to see the entire video. Okay, I will try to crop the trapezoid from this video. Ooh, like this. It's hard to see, but let's say I crop it like that. Then select output directory here. Select folder, then crop. And then we'll save them pretty quickly. Okay. Once it saves the first video, it will move to the next video. Okay. Here. But the current problem is that while it can save, it can crop multiple videos at once, it uses the previous crop to crop the next video. So it's good for cropping the videos in batch if they are all in like same size and shape. But uh, if you want to handle different shapes at once, uh, you might have I would have to update the tool. Well, I guess that's current limitation, but if you think this is necessary, then I can update it so that you can see each video and crop individually. There's pros and cons. So this current method is that allows you to process all videos at once with just one crop. So okay, they are all saved currently. Let's see. So in this folder, in the label output folder, okay, all the metadata for the cropping is saved here. I saved with the timestamp here so that uh, um, yeah, the most current one is associated with the probably the last video that's produced. So let's see. So here is the first video that's cropped. And notice that if you use the trapezoid cropping tool, then you will automatically crop uh, with the circle here. So instead of cropping actual trapezoid, it crops with the curvilinear uh, upper side and lower side. It's hard to see in this video, but if you go to the next video, you will see that. Okay, this is hard to see. Okay, rather, what I would do is just to show you, if you crop it, then what will happen is that you will crop this part and this part. So this black part will be cut out, but this lower side will be included if you use this trapezoid tool. Actually, this is the one of the main reason why I created this label tool, so that you can crop the curvilinear ultrasound videos. Okay, it'll be saved soon. By the way, I got all these videos online, like which are freely available. But if you want, I can share it. Yeah, okay. So it's done. Let's see. The same video, but if you see, look at it, right? all these entire lower and upper necessary part is preserved while cropping out the rest of the unnecessary stuff, uh, like T and these labels, patient information, this text. Yeah, this is possible because I uh, just made all other regions black in the video. Okay, okay, I think that's it. I showed you every features in this of this label tool. But if you have any questions, please leave a comment or send me an email. Okay, thank you for listening.